Assalamu alaikum, brothers. How are you? I think you are fine. As you well aware that on daily basis I upload a video at my channel with different message, with different guidance, through which sometimes you are perceived time is saved and sometimes you are rupees is saved. And sometimes the message is such type that guidance is such type that which gives you a beautiful message to boost your life. As presently right now is early morning of the day and you are listening voices of the different birds. These voices are very sweet. As you are listening Cocoa bird voice, these voices are very not only very sweet but also very calm. In this word, as and when I woke up, I busy in our life with different problem and start to think about different issues. We have forgotten to appreciate the beautiful nature. These voices gives a very important message that every morning brings a fresh start and a new hope, and we don't take worries. We should feel peaceful and try to take our worries aside for some time and just feel peace for some minutes, which give us a good hope, freshness out of depression, create happiness. And also will be near to the beautiful nature. So at the end, I hope and honestly pray to the Allah Almighty that all your problems, hurdles be minimized. Remove your worries and bless your life with bundle of blessings, endless happiness and peace. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this message, kindly like to my channel and also share it and subscribe so that such type of message can you receive on daily basis. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.